As we mentioned before the break, tonight we are bringing back our series of reports we call the Fleecing of America, how your money too often goes to waste. Tonight, an all too familiar subject, Medicare fraud, something costs all of us billions of dollars a year. It's back in a big way. Our report tonight from NBC's Mark Potter.
When you opened that bill and you saw that,
I was shocked.
At the Palace Suites retirement community near Miami, Martin Hartog and Jerry Calico were stunned to learn someone had used their names to bill Medicare for nearly $20,000 for treatments they never got.
I think it's outrageous to begin with.
I think it's bad supervision on the part of Medicare.
In Miami, FBI agent Brian Waterman and Health and Human Services agent Julie Rivera have spent years chasing Medicare fraud.
File cabinet, printer,
and say the problem has skyrocketed.
It's huge. It's like an epidemic.
We could arrest, hundreds of people every month. But there's a line of people to take their place.
Federal officials estimate Medicare theft costs U.S. taxpayers $60 billion a year. A nonstop pilferage covered here 12 years ago.
Tonight, the Fleecing of America, and once again, it involves Medicare fraud.
A veteran prosecutor tells NBC News that 12 years ago, a person stealing $1 million from Medicare was a big deal. Now, individual thefts of $30, $40, $50 million and more are not that uncommon. Fraud experts say Medicare's automated computer system for paying claims is easily exploited by criminals.
Anytime government dispenses funds through computers, with no face-to-face interaction, you can be sure now that the criminal groups are watching for these opportunities.
The Obama administration says it's a major concern and now has Medicare fraud prosecution strike forces in 7 cities.
We are trying to really improve the systems, upgrade the data system, sharing real-time data with law enforcement, which has never happened before.
But some call the current system pay and chase. After Medicare pays fraudulent claims, law enforcement has to give chase to try to get back at least some of that money. Still, a fleecing of America. Mark Potter, NBC News, Miami.
Of course, there's more on this story and others on our website, nightly.msnbc.com.